So I wanted to include some things that I eat in a day that are pretty healthy. So I have some sourdough avocado toast with some seasonings on top and some olive oil. For the breakfast scramble, I make this like basically like 3 to 4 mornings a week. And it's just eggs, mushrooms, tomatoes, onions, a little bit of goat cheese, and then some truff hot sauce. And then I always have berries in the morning, good antioxidants. So I have raspberries, blackberries, strawberries, and blueberries. I feel like I eat pretty healthy for the most part, so this is gonna be really good. This is a really good like balanced breakfast brunch. It's 10:32, so this is like brunch. So good. So good. Hey guys, it's Bella. Welcome back to my channel. I'm really trying to implement some new habits for the new year, so I felt like this is a really good video to do. A productive day in the life, but like new year, new me vibes. I did start a little bit later today. All week I've had like the worst sleep ever. I've been going to sleep, but I wake up like every hour, and my Aura ring, like my stats are so bad for my sleep score, so that hasn't been fun. I've still been working out at like 7 a.m. on the dot, but today me and my best friend Cecily, we did a little class at LA Fitness at 8:30, so it had like a little bit of a later start to my morning, but it was fine because I've been grinding all week. I'm gonna do some quick makeup. The makeup routine that I'm gonna do is actually my last video that I posted. It's like my everyday makeup routine, but I'm just gonna quickly cover up some hormonal blemishes that are happening that I'm not happy about and just refresh my face. Okay, so I finished my makeup and I just like put dry shampoo in my hair. Since I'm home all day and I'm just gonna be productive and just doing a lot of stuff, I'm just gonna wear a cute little sweatsuit. So I'm wearing this Aviator Nation blue hoodie and sweatpants set. I also always try to link what I can down below depending on like what I use throughout the video. So if you're ever curious, then check the description box because I do my best to link all my stuff. So now that we're ready for the day, let's go ahead and make a list of stuff to do. I feel like that's when I'm most productive, is when I write everything out and I'm able to look at it and then decipher what I want to get done first. I came up with a list of everything that I need to get done. I have the business I work for my parents, and then also personal stuff. So let's get into it. I've gotten 4 things checked off my to-do list. I actually also just booked a flight to Texas. My mom and I are going at the end of the month for work. We were supposed to go to LA, but we're gonna save that for February for work. So we're gonna go to Texas instead. So we just booked our flights. I did all my Google invites for all of the meetings that we're gonna have with all of the big companies, which is really exciting. And I'm gonna vlog the trip so you guys will get to see a little bit of my life outside of YouTube. And I also just popped an Alani Nu. I have the peach one today. It's so good. I get these from Costco in bulk and they're amazing. I have a few more things to do and then I really want to go get supplies to make a vision board. Before I can go get stuff for the vision board is to create Valentine's Day invitations. I haven't thrown a party since I got my house and I can finally host now. So I'm gonna do a huge Valentine's Day party with my family and a bunch of my friends. I'm making the invitations now and like kind of getting the Pinterest board together. It's gonna be a blast. I'm blocking out the details because my personal information is on them, but they are super cute. They look somewhat like this and it's gonna be a pajama party and I'm so excited. It's been an hour since I gave you guys an update and I'm still getting a lot of stuff done. I'm being really productive, making calls and all that fun stuff, but I am having a snack because it's 3:10 now and I ate around like 10:40, 11 a.m. So I'm getting a little hungry. So I just had some teriyaki little crisps from Costco and then I'm having a Built bar. It's a protein bar and it has 15 grams of protein and it's 160 calories. I'm still grinding out, trying to plan this party in February and I just ordered a dining room table as well. Hey guys, so it's literally 2 days later and the chairs and table already came in from Wayfair. So we put them together last night and I really like it. So we have 4 chairs sitting here now, but there's 2 chairs over there. Just gonna leave those out because it's too crammed with 6. It looks really good in this space. Like I really think it just makes the kitchen a whole lot better and now it's filled and then it just goes into the living room, which we love. Thought I'd give you guys a live update. As far as the vision board goes, I haven't even thought of what I want on it. I do know a lot of my New Year's resolutions. I've already come up with those and also kind of the vibe of the year, but I have yet to start a Pinterest board. So I'm gonna start that too today with you guys. Currently 3:29 and I've gotten like almost everything done for the work day that I needed to get done. Also going back to what I talked about, you know, getting stuff done and making sure that like I'm productive and like if I say I'm gonna do something, I'm gonna do it. I also want to like time manage better. I guess I mean have better time management skills. I feel like I've been doing that pretty well. Like I haven't been on my phone as much today, and if I say I'm gonna do something, I'll tell myself I can get this done in 30 minutes, so don't prolong it and like take an hour to do it. Just get it done in those 30 minutes. That's so far a really good New Year's resolution. Another one of mine was to be active as much as possible. I know some days it's not possible with traveling and stuff, but the days that I am home, I prefer to go on walks. I like to eat healthy, and I also like to go do a workout, weight lift, or do a class. Hey guys, so I'm in my office now. I haven't shown you guys a little updated tour, but I will soon. I'll give you like a small one. Have a mirror in this corner. There's me. Have my printer because it wouldn't plug into the other one. I gotta fix that. This is gonna be a little filming corner for Instagram Reels. I've got some makeup over there, and then there's like the rest of the setup. I love it. I haven't spent too much time out here because I just finished putting it kind of together, but we are going to make a little Pinterest board for my vision board. I just got my printer working. Now I am low on ink, and I didn't know that before I started this video, so we're gonna see how much I'm able to print, but we're definitely gonna do what we can because I feel really inspired and I want to get this at least semi-done. I'm printing the first thing, and it's just this little pray on it, pray over it, and pray through it quote. I want to put this in the corner of the vision board. Photos are coming out way bigger than I initially wanted, so I'm gonna cancel them. I have some photo like 4x6 paper somewhere in here, so I'm gonna change up the format. A few of them are fine to be big in my opinion, but like I don't need this airplane photo to be this big. Like that's huge. Okay, so here's what we're working with so far. I was able to print out kind of a good amount, but I think my printer is dying because some of the photos are starting to get a little, you know, not as colorful as they were, and they're starting to get some lines in them. But I feel like I printed out a good amount to like give it a good start. So kind of my whole, you know, vibe with this year is to eat healthier. This is actually a photo I took today of my food that I showed you guys. I just want to eat healthier, like more of like whole foods, and then just like make the plates look good. So like this looks actually yummy. Focus on YouTube, except it did not print the E, so I don't know if I'm gonna fully put this on the vision board just because of that. I mean, I might put it at the end, we'll see. I printed some quotes that I'm looking forward to just kind of meditating on. I printed my Bible because I really want to just dive more into God's word and really spend time with him. I also did a really beautiful backyard because now that I'm a homeowner, I really want to just make my backyard so serene and so beautiful. So that's just like kind of a vibe that I want. I have my boyfriend and I, which you guys haven't seen him yet, and this is kind of like not the best photo of us, but this is in California. We just took a trip to California in November. So there he is, there am I. His name is Joey, and we were at the Santa Monica Pier. It was so much fun. But I printed out a photo of us so that I could just remember to really focus on him and us and just growing us together, because this is a one and done type deal, baby. And then I printed a photo I just saw online because I thought this was super cute. I have a photo of me and currently like my body at the gym. My goal is to just be a little bit more fit this year, be more lean, and just be healthier. Traveling, I love traveling. I'm doing that a lot this year. Some really fun places I've never been to, so I'm excited. I also have just some photos of the gym, some Fire Mates. This is my parents' product, and I work for my parents, so the goal is to just make more business for them and get some better clients and just really spread the knowledge of fire safety and the importance of it. I also have some money on here. I have a photo of myself, which I think I'm gonna put this in the middle just so I can remember that this is who I'm trying to make proud. Like, this is the little girl that wants all of this. So I'm gonna put that in the middle, and I'm really excited to get started on it. I don't think this is enough. Then I have the flowers that I bought earlier at Michael's to kind of fill in some sparse areas. Okay, so here we are. It's blank, and we're about to do it up so well. I kind of wanted to just talk about this year and kind of where I was at last year and just me not posting for a while. I did not post for a very long time last year. A lot of me was just really insecure with how big I had gotten and how much like I let myself go, which is totally valid. I just felt super insecure, and then I continuously got hate comments about my body, and then it just like made it even worse. Like, I already knew I was depressed and I was very aware of it, and I was trying to like grasp it in my mind, and then like people would just badger me and just like say the rudest stuff and I would believe it. So for me, I was just like, you know what? I am not good enough to post. I am not beautiful. Like, I just have nothing to me. And so, you know what? I'm just gonna quit what I was doing. I feel like a lot of people go through it, but it's really sad that like I made myself feel that way, because YouTube has always been such a good thing for me and such a happy place. And for someone, and not just someone, many people to just comment on me and like make me feel like what I'm doing was bad, it was just like the worst feeling ever. And I would definitely say coming back is just like, I love it. Like, there's just nothing I love more than just like filming and like showing my life and just like giving you guys good content. Like, it's truly something I love. Like, I've been doing it since I was 16, and you know, at some points in life, like, you get burnt out. That's perfectly normal with any job, but you know, it's like a real passion when it continuously comes back and you're able to get out of that rut. But I really have come so far this year with my health and just like my mental health, and I really am the happiest I've ever been. I am in such a good relationship. Like, I'm very happy. I was not expecting a relationship at all, and then it just hit me in the face and it just happened, and I couldn't be happier. And I have really good family. I have a nephew, I have a niece that turned 1 today, and I have another nephew on the way. It's just crazy, like, knowing that like my life is being like so fulfilled by other things, and it's just such a blessing to see that like come into action. Like, it's really cool. Also, so far I've gotten 2 things down. I did the photo of me, and then I did the pray on it, pray over it, and pray through it. I mean, it really was a crazy year, and it was a lot of self-reflection. And if I didn't have some of the people in my life like really care for me, like, I don't know where I would have been. I really don't. Like, I just have some good people, you guys, like some good people. I feel better, and I know it was because I lost the weight, and so I have a lot more goals for myself, like physique wise. But honestly, as long as I'm healthy, like, it's okay that I have that like small little flab. Like, it's not a big deal, but I feel healthy, and I'm actively like working towards being healthier. Sorry, my lights are flickering a little. I think that's the biggest thing, is that you're actively working to like be healthier. Another New Year's resolution of mine is just to work on my relationship with Joey more. It's been great. It's been a super happy thing, and we have been really blessed to like have a really good relationship, but it is long distance, and that is very hard. It's not something I ever thought I'd see myself in. Like, I never thought about being long distance, but I wouldn't want to be in a relationship with anybody else, and I also like wouldn't want to be long distance with anybody else, so it just works. Definitely being on a good routine is something I want to focus on. That's the goal this year, just to focus on what God has given me and like steward it well. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys see this whole vision board that I'm making. Okay, so far here we are. I probably shouldn't have done all the flowers yet, like not all of them. I still have a lot more, but I shouldn't have done this many yet, but it's fine. I think we're gonna have a good amount like to fill, but I also think we're definitely gonna need some more. My printer officially is out of ink, but I did like almost all of it. I wrote some words that are just like on my heart for this year. Patience, and then also Philippians 4:13, which says I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. I know it's a super cliche and like, you know, verse that a lot of people use, but I really want to embody that this year. I put some flowers over here to fill the gap, but also to add some texture and like make it look a little bit more enticing for my visuals. So really liking it so far. I have some things I want to fill in, but this is really probably one of my best ones yet. Like, it's the most like accurate one of like everything I really want to focus on in this year. Okay, I'm quite hungry. I literally haven't eaten like a full meal since 11 a.m. this morning, and it is currently 7 o'clock on the dot. I mean, I had that little snack, which was okay, but I need to eat. Starting to get a little hangry. Okay, so this is dinner. I actually meal prepped it yesterday, but I have lima beans and different colors of sweet potato marinated. I like baked them, and then I have just basmati rice, and then I just have some wild caught salmon and a smoked habanero rub. Dolce. You can't have any. So this is my meal. It's pretty balanced. I'm a fiend for anything salty, so don't judge me with the amount of soy sauce I'm putting on my rice. That's how I like it, because I'm a fiend for saltiness. And Dolce's trying to get some, but you cannot have any. No, you can't have any. No, I see you trying to get close. No, sir. No, sir, Dolce. No, no. Okay, I'm gonna give it a taste test, even though I had it last night and it was amazing. We're gonna start with the rice, because this looks good. I love soy sauce so much. And we're gonna start with the salmon. Phenomenal. Now, the veggies and beans. So good. We've eaten pretty good today. I shouldn't have not had lunch, but I really wasn't that hungry, and that meal like was really big and helped me over. I'm gonna finish this and watch some YouTube. Okay guys, it is about an hour later and I am in bed. I made my sleepy, Dolce wants to say hi. He's trying to give me kisses. He's like, good job mom on being good for the new year and doing all your new habits and stuff. Anyways, I made myself some sleepy time tea, but I did shower again and I'm in a comfy little shirt and I'm gonna hop on Discord with my boyfriend and watch some Breaking Bad with him. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and I was able to give you guys some good habits to implement for the new year and just kind of give you a realistic but good day in the life. It's like very productive, but you know, just like keeping a good mindset, eating healthy, and just like putting more emphasis on yourself. But I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys in my very next video. Be sure to stay tuned for really exciting content coming up. I'm just gonna pound it out. I'm so excited to just share my life with you guys and just give you guys some really quality content. I'll see you guys soon. Bye guys.